Hey everyone, myself Pratibha welcome you all to Digital Library. Today we will start our second lecture on Abacus. Those who have not seen the first lecture yet may click on I button. So let's start with our little story. There was a monster who was bullying and harassing the children in the village. One day, a 17-year-old shepherd boy came to visit his brothers and asked, "Why don't you stand up and fight the monster?" The brothers were terrified and they replied, "Don't you see, he's too big to hit." But the little shepherd boy said, "No, he's not too big to hit, he is too big to miss." So, the moral of the story, same monster but different perception. All of you must have heard of half glass of water. For some, it is half filled, while for others, it is half empty. So everything is in our attitude and our perception, how we see things, how we live our life. That is all matters. So coming to today's lecture, let's start with numbers. As I told you earlier, we use index finger for upper beats and thumb for lower beats. The middle dot, the white dot on this answer bar, this dot, this row represents unit place, and the left row is representing 10 place, this 100 place, 1000 place, and so on. In the last video we talked about numbers till 9. So this bead, the upper bead on the unit place, is having a value of 5. If the beads is like this abacus is showing 5, and all the lower bead, each lower bead on unit place is having a value of 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. So if I need to represent number 8, how will I do this? 5, 6, sorry, 6, 7, 8. I'm using pen because if I use thumb, that will not be more clear to you. So now we'll move to 10 place. Each lower bead on the 10 place have the value of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40. And upper bead have a value of 50, like this, 50. Fine. So if I need to show number 64 on abacus, how will I show? 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. So this arrangement of beads is showing a number 64. Moving further, first of all we need to clear the abacus before doing any calculation or representation of number. So if I need to show 90 on abacus, how will I do that? 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, like this, right? Moving next, if I need to represent the number 76, so 50, 60, 70. Now 6, 5 and 6. This arrangement of beads is showing a number 76, right? So moving to 100 place, each lower bead on 100 place have value of 100, 100, 200, 300, 300 and 400. Okay, and the upper bead have a value of 500, like this. So if I need to represent number 900, how will I do this? 500, 600, 700, 800 and 900, right? If I need to represent number 129, how will I do this? 100, 1, 20 and 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Moving to next, if I need to show number 636, then what will I do? 500, 600, 30. 10, 20, 30. 6, 5 and 6. So this arrangement is showing a number 636, right? Moving further, if I need to show 847, then 500, 600, 700, 800, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, 7, 5, 6, 7, like this, right? So I hope by now representation of number on abacus is clear. Moving to next, let's start with simple addition. So if I need to solve a sum 3 plus 6 minus 8, how will I do this? 3, 1, 2, 3 plus 6, 5, 6 minus 8. For minus, we just take away the beads from this answer bar. So take away 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 1 because only one bead is touching this answer bar, right? So let's clear the abacus. Second question, we'll take 4 plus 5 minus 2 minus 1. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5 minus 2. Take away 2 beads minus 1. So answer is 6. 5, 1, 6. Right? Let's take one more example. 6 minus 5 plus 2. 5, 6 minus 5. So take away this bit because it is having value of 5 plus 2. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3. 3 beads are touching the answer bar directly or indirectly. So the answer will be 3. Right? So I hope this is clear by now. So in today's video we have done simple addition. For the next video we'll learn some more formulas to solve the complex additions on abacus. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please share the video, like the video and subscribe the channel so that it motivates me and I make more such videos. Thank you so much.